If someone has an unknown number of broken or unkept fasts from previous years, how should they go about making kafara for these? You don't. You don't. Right? Not until, sorry, for the unkept fasts, there's no kafara. Right? In the Hanafi school, if you just didn't keep a fast, no problem. There's no kafara. If you broke the fast, then go speak to a scholar, or study the particulars of the rules of fasting. It may be you don't have to make a kafara, but if you do, like you deliberately just went out of your way and ate something or drank something, you broke your fast, then you need to make up the fasts. And if there's a kafara, you do the kafara. Make up the fasts how? Take a guess, an educated guess. Sit down, calculate how many it could be, add a couple of percent, 5% to it, 2%, whatever, and make up those fasts. The kafara, you only need to do one kafara in the Hanafi school, just one kafara for all past mistakes. The whole point of the kafara is to teach you a lesson, which is what you fast 60 days. Um, if you can't fast 60 days due to ill health or other reasons, then you feed 60 people, right? Either all at once, or you can feed one person uh, once a day for 60 days. What do you have to feed them? You can give them money. You can give them the cost. You can give. It's actually not much. It's £2 in our times. It's worked out cheaper. Which is the value of 2 kilos of flour, which is about £2. You can give that to one poor person, uh, you know, um, over a duration, and just speak to them and say, "Look, can I have a bank account? I just need to give something," and but you can't give it all at once, right? You can feed 60 people at once. But if you give it to one person, you're going to do it like this. So just say, "Look, I'm sorry, just the way the rules are. I'll just deposit some money into your account every day for a few days, and just do it like that." So the kafara is, you need to fast if you can. So you can't include the days of the two Eids and the 3 days after Eid al-Adha. These 5 days cannot be in there, right? Uh, these days. So Eid al-Fitr, the 1st of Shawwal, then the 10th of Dhul Hijjah, and then the 11th, 12th, and 13th can't be there. The Ayyam al-Tashriq. So, Allah. And in that situation, so you'd have to start the 60 days after that time, and you fast for 60 days non-stop, right? And ladies, if the menstrual cycle starts during that time, then you stop as soon as it starts. And let's say you're on day 17, it starts, it's 9 days of menstruation, and then you can start fasting again next day, day 18, and you carry on until 60 days are done like that. So that's basically how you do it.
لا إله إلا الله محمد رسول الله